Alright guys, good morning. Magbabike tayo this morning. Ayan, nakasanda yung tracker natin. And off we go. That's our house right here. Alright, papunta pala tayo sa park today. It will take around 45 minutes to an hour bike there. Sinend ko na yung tracker kay Mrs. para pagdating natin doon, susunduin nila tayo. Alright, first part of the ride would be a neighborhood ride. Today is it's Monday today, holiday. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing. Let's go straight. Alrighty. So fun. Ang sarap ng hangin. Woohoo! Okay, we're going out this way. We're going to another neighborhood. Pagkatapos labas tayo sa highway, may bike path doon papuntang park. Look to the right, nothing. Let's go. Alrighty. Woohoo. Apartments. Oops, stoplight tayo. Ooh, of course we will stop sa stoplight. Nobody. Here, let's go. Alright, so this is another neighborhood here. I think Reg Wyatt pangalan dito. Kita yung malalaki na yung trees dito. That means there are older houses, maybe around say 20-25 years ago. Yung sa amin mga 10-year-old pa rin yun na neighborhood. Ang bigat ang katawan ko ngayon kasi nag-ride tayo like 2 days ago and we're still recovering. Alright, so patawid tayo sa traffic light sa Grassy Boulevard. We're going to the third neighborhood. Ano to dito? Older houses. Not so old, but I don't know, 20-30-year-old houses. Maybe early 2000s, 1990s. Lulusot tayo dyan sa playground and then going to the highway. So it's around 9 minutes na since we started Driving. So pasok tayo dito sa walk path or bike path. And then we'll go to our lane to the right. Bike path. Morning. Alright, so palabas na to. We're going to the highway. Papunta pala tayo ngayon sa Kildonan Park. Paikot-ikot tayo doon. Tapos papick up tayo sa mga kids saka kay Bossing. So it's 10 minutes and 20 seconds na tayong nagbabike. We're almost to the highway. Okay, we're gonna cross the highway. Sarap ng hangin. Woohoo! Sarap ng hangin. Medyo mabilis tayo. Let's dial it down our speed. Ayaw nating maubusan ng hangin. So slow down ng konti. Alrighty. Stop sign. Woohoo! Highway! Yan, paalam tayo, natatawid. Alright guys, let's go. We can go, we can go. Illegal to ginawa natin. Crossing kahit stop yung pedestrian, but that's okay, there's no cars. Woohoo! Alright, so ito na, bike path saka walking path. It's called Chief Pegues Greenway. We're going west. Woohoo! Very nice. Alright, so fun out here. Nandito tayo sa highway, going west. It's a bike path. Look. So medyo matagtag. Woohoo! Ang sarap. I like biking. Woohoo! Medyo mabilis tayo ngayon. Dito pa rin tayo sa Chief Pegues. Mag 15 minutes na nagsimula tayo. So here we are. Morning. Morning. All right, 15 minutes and we're still going. There's the highway right there. Paakyat tayo dun sa stop sign. I mean sa stoplight. Woohoo! Hihi. Woohoo! Ang sarap. Green tayo. Habulin natin. We're green, we're green. Let's go habulin. Let's go look to the left. Make sure there's no cars. And we are green. Okay, change natin yung setting natin. Because aakyat tayo dito. Woohoo! Going up. Whew. So change natin yung setting natin. Ito tayo sa right kasi may bike. Nag-left sila. We're going to the left. 2. Alright, paakyat. Pero konti lang. From there to here. Alright. Alright. Woohoo! Change to number 3. Alright. Pababa. Spaghetti pababa. There you go. Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Marami din nagbabike doon sa kabila. Doon sa unahan pala. Kita yan, highway. That is Chief Peguis Trail. From west to east. We're following this highway to Kildonan Park. Okay. Alright guys, so Henderson Highway na tayo on Chief Peguis Trail West. Papunta pa rin tayo sa west. I'm just gonna cross the street there. We are green. Sana mahabol natin. Look to the left. Make sure nobody's there. And then time to rock and roll. Woohoo! Alrighty. Going this way. Hello car. Going that way. Alrighty. Woohoo. So tiring. Alright guys, so here's the challenge. Susuong tayo sa bridge. Under sa bridge. After that, aakitin natin yung patas na yan. Yes. Susuong tayo sa ilalim dyan, tapos akyat tayo sa taas, which is very cool. Alright, here we go. Oh no, not yet. Maybe mga 1 minute more. Morning. Whew. Was tiring. Kapagod. Ay, kulang na sa exercise. So ito na, pasok na tayo sa bridge. Underneath the bridge. Under the bridge. After ito, akyat tayo dyan sa mataas. It's very challenging. Sundan natin yung settings natin. Maybe 1.5 is good. Okay, let's see. Okay na. Okay na tayo. Woo. Okay na. 1.5. Woohoo. High building. Woo. Challenge. Di ko nadala yung water ko. Oh my. Sabi ko na nga ba, may nakalimutan ako. My Gatorade. Morning. Alright. Whew. Kapagod. Pero sulit yung view. Look at that. Woohoo! Look at the view. Saan tayo pupunta sa park? Kildonan Park. Alright. It's a nice view. Pa-picture na tayo dun. Let's go for pictures dito. Woohoo! Hi guys, we're at the bridge. Ang ganda ng view from there. Galing tayo dyan sa bridge. We are going there to the river, tapos to the park. May golf course dyan. Dadaan tayo dyan in a minute. Let's go. Alright. So nakanambruan na tayo. We're going to number 2. Alright, pababa na tayo sa bridge. Let's go to the right. Woohoo! Downhill, downhill, downhill. I like the downhill. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Love it. Turning left. Sharp left. Hairpin. Woohoo! Lagpas na ako. Right, kung didiretso tayo dyan, we're going under the bridge again. Papuntang north. Punta natin yan next time. Ngayon, bababa tayo dito, going to Kildonan Green Golf Club, tapos nasa Kildonan Park na tayo after. Right, downhill. Morning. Woohoo! Morning. There you go. Yan yung Kildonan Green Golf Club. May kaibigan akong addict na addict dito. Professional na ngayon yun. Na gano'n na. PGA Tour. Yeah. Ano? Golf Club. Alright, so we're still going to our... Papasok na tayo sa park. Excuse me. Thank you. Thank you. You know. Alright, my train tracked in, you know. Woohoo! Ooh, paakyat! Morning. Alright, so ito yun ang entrance sa park. Ikutin natin yung one time. So ikot muna tayo sa circular bago natin pasukin yung mga morning. So ikot na tayo sa circular. May walk path dyan sa left. Tapos natin maikot yung circular niya o yung oval. Puntahan natin yung mga loob-looban, yung mga path like dirt bike, dirt path. Mayroon din pave path. Ito yung oval niya. Marami nagwo-walking tsaka nagwa-biking din dito. So yeah, let's take the circular first. Alright, so nasa 33 minutes na tayo sa ride natin. So we're here. Bilis lang pala. Please walk facing traffic. Makes sense. So since nagbabike tayo, ito tayo sa gilid. Maraming nagja-jogging dito. See that? Very nice. And golf course to the right. This is Kildonan Park. Nasa North Winnipeg. May mga restaurant dyan. We'll try there later. There's the ducks. Alright, so saan na tayo? Kayod pa rin ang kayod. Ay, so di pa natin naikot. Mga halfway na tayo sa ikot sa park. Pagdating natin dun sa may bridge, yun, 100% ano na, ikot. But for now, one way pala itong going to the right. So I'm going this way. One way. Ikot tayo dito sa right. Bike is restricted to roadway. Woohoo! Yeah, marami nagka-camping, nagpi-picnic. Tsaka may mga playground din for kids. And meron ding pool dyan, swimming pools. They're open sa summers. Of course, hindi sa winter. Yeah, no, for kids. Playground for kids. And may mga picnic grounds, right? An outdoor pool. There you go. Alright. So sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, aside from dyan sa oval, mayroon ding dito sa gilid may pave, mayroon ding hindi pave. Subukan natin sa gilid hanggang sa maka ikot tayo 100% sa park. Right, Dudong Inday. Alright, there we go. Yan yung river kanina, Red River, I think. Yeah, Red River. So yan yung rainbow stage. May nagpe-perform dyan, like mga Broadway musicals like Frozen. See, ganda diba? Yan, Frozen, now playing August 7 to 24. So as you can see, nahuhulog na yung mga dahon. That means patapos na yung summer and magwi-winter na. Kulong na naman sa bahay. Kasi nakakatamad lumabas pag winter, right? Good morning. Good morning. Morning, guys.
Morning.
Ayan. Malapit na tayo mag 100%. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, hinis na ba tayo? Yeah, may volleyball court, may mga playground, picnic ground, and any ground, underground. Alright, so malapit na tayo mag 100%. Mga few meters na lang. Morning. Alright, so ayan na. Nakita niyo yung so yeah, yan yung pababa dyan. Then tayo bumaba kanina nang pumasok sa park. So that's it, 100% round. We are not done yet. So pasukin natin yung mga loob-looban. There you go. Yan yung mga picnic ground. Right. So different route tayo. Dito tayo halfway circular, tapos papasok tayo dun sa my restaurant. Hello, Elle?
Huh?
Can you pick me up already?
Yeah?
I want you to take your time, but yeah, pick me up, alright? Alright, I'll see you at Keldona. You know where to pick me up?
No.
Keldona Park.
Okay.
Alright, see ya.
Yeah.
Bye. Alright, here we go. So ito yung parking lot ng restaurant. May restaurant sila dyan, Prairie's Edge ang tawag. I don't know ano yung menu nila, hindi pa namin na-try dito. But we're going to try, I think, later for lunch. For now, we're going inside. Kasi ang ganda dito, di ba? May lake, may picnic area. Ano pa meron dito? Ipapakita ko sa inyo, may swimming pool din dito. Yung swimming pool kanina, tingnan natin. Let's verify. You see that? Kita niyo yan? My swimming pools. Right? Ganda, di ba? May mga swimming pools. Swimming pools. Ayan yung rainbow stage kanina. Swimming pools. You know what? Done tayo sa rainbow stage. Backstage. Alright. Long time ago nagpi-picture taking. Ayan, entrance C. There you go. Right. So hindi pa natin mapuntahan yung mga off-road ngayon kasi medyo low battery na tayo. Hindi ako yung GoPro ko lang. So where am I going? I'm going off-road again. Over here. Yan na naman si Manang mo. Alright. And Labbers in Paris, so woohoo! Yeah! Ang sarap mag-bike. Alright guys, I'll see you later maybe. Going straight. There she is. Alright guys, so nandito tayo sa loop. Magle-left turn tayo dyan. Tingnan natin kung makapasok tayo sa witch hut. So may bahay yung mga witch din dito, no? Sabi yung mapabahay ng Canada, pati witch may bahay. Alright, let's see. Woohoo! Ang sarap! Yan, may witch hut dyan. Nakita niyo yan? Bahay ng witch yan. Hindi ko alam kung which is which. Bahay ng witch. Yan, may duck. Witch house. Yan yung witch house. Witch house. Paikot tayo sa witch house. Alright, sorry guys. Alright. So ito yung mga lubluban, no? Tawid tayo dun sa may playground. There you go. Yan. Mga lubluban din dito. See? Dirt road, dirt bike, yung mga paved din Oh, may bridge? Ano kaya itong klaseng bridge to? Oh, it's a flat bridge. We're going there. Nga pala, may ano sila dito, gardens. Oo, huwag tayo pumasok sa garden. Dito tayo pumasok. Kabila. Kasi marami nagme-meditate doon sa garden eh. Baka masira yung ano nila. Saya. Pupunta tayo dyan. Ayan yung park. Okay, punta tayo dito. Let's see. Anong meron dito? Oh, may dirt bike doon. Dirt path. Sana pumunta tayo doon sa baba. Dito na lang. Let's see. Ooh! Papunta sa restaurant to. Yan, may bridge din dyan. I don't know kung pwedeng bike dito. Let's take a look in your restaurant. Ay, yung restaurant. Alright, yan pala yun. Ayan labas sa restaurant to. Ano yung pagkain dyan? May tapsilog kaya sila dyan. Oh, let's see. Order tayo mamaya ng ano. Alrighty, balik ulit tayo dito. Alright, so dito na tayo sa parking lot na meeting place namin ng family. Dito kami makikita. Wala pa sila. Tawagan ko nga.
Hello.
Hi, where are you?
Almost not yet. Already?
You still at home?
Yeah. Are you ready? Huh?
Are you still at home?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're in my vlog. Look,
Yeah.
look. Say hi to the camera. See, my camera's here. Say hi.
Hi.
Are you gonna pick me up?
Are you sending it to YouTube? Are
Yeah.
you sending it to YouTube?
Yes, I will.
Okay. I love you, everybody.
I'll see you later, okay? Call me when you get here, okay? Alright?
Yeah, I think we're.
What?
I think we're ready in 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
We're getting ready. We're gonna be out in 2 minutes.
Alright, I'll see you later, right? Okay, bye.
Yeah. Thank you.
Bye. Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Bye.
Should I declare?
Okay,
Should I
bye.
declare?
Wala pa, nasa bahay pa sila. So, yung bahay namin mga, I think, I don't know, 10-15 minutes drive from here. So, ikot pa tayo ng konti hanggang mamaya. Alright. Alright guys, so paikot-ikot lang tayo dito sa park. Ano na tayo, minutes na ba? 1 hour 6 minutes, 17.8 kilometers ride na tayo. So antay pa rin tayo sa family na magsusundo sa atin. Siguro isang ikot pa, tapos papark na ako dun. Antayin ko sila dun. Alright. Alright, so dito tayo pa rin sa parking lot. Dito na tayo sa parking lot, nag-aantay sa family. Ayan yung bike na gamit natin. It's Trek bike. Tapos nag-message na sa atin yung kid ko kanina. So
I might not call and text also you because I'm not gonna have internet, so call mommy.
call mommy daw sabi niya. Pero they left mga 20 minutes ago. Yan siya. See you later daw. Okay, dito na yung mga maya-maya lang ng konti. Oh, ang ganda ng mga dahon. See? Oh my God. Nagpa-fall na. Nahuhulog na yung mga dahon. Kulay yellow na. Ayan na sila. They're here. Hi. Where are you parking? Oh, patras. Okay. Alright. Na yung pickup ko. Yeah, hi! How's my girls? Yeah, nangahulog na mga dahon. What?
It's Halloween, everyone.
It's Halloween? Not yet Halloween. Still September. September 1st. Yay! Ma'am, dito man nindot. So dito sa may padol sa prairie. O kung gusto ka dra, it's okay. Yeah, it's already fall. Yeah. So early nag-fall. Usually it's October, right? September 1st pa gani, wala na. Huh?
Where's the lot of leaves? I want to go up.
Okay, I'm gonna load my bike na so we can have fun. Oh,
Over here. What's that?
wait, wait.
I'm gonna throw it in the car.
No,
You want a video?
no, I have a video already here.
Ano, like a video? Kaya ko siyang videoan ko nung yung ilaban.
Oh, okay, okay, just like before in the park. All right,
Wait.
go there.
Dito na siya.
Okay, over here with that.
But I'm gonna throw it to that.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. It's a slow motion.
Ano po dapat yung
Hi, Nanay, how about you? Look here. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Oh, that's so pretty. Nice glasses.
Come, two of you. Go get over here. Where?
Yung bike natin sa loob ng van. And there's my kids. Happy picture taking sa fall. Grabe, September 1st pa? Fall na? So early.
Jump to the D. You need to jump.
Come to Daddy, dali.
Jump with it.
What are you doing?
Ikaw na lang, El.
You okay? Job fun? Yeah? Awesome.
Leaves are starting to fall.
I know, it's too early. Scooter license?
Scooter. How come daw ko no? How come they don't have a license? They're driving a scooter.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, we need a scooter license, you think?
Yeah, because when you drive, of course you should have a driver's license. Anything you drive.
Because
Ano ba ita? Ate ka na ko agi.
Sige, pwede lagi. Hindi mo, U-turn ka, dako ka.
Yeah. Sige, tingnan lang. Yes! So, where we're going home na? Yes.
Ganun ba, isudaan? Kailan naman tadri? Kasi ko palit lumpiang gulay sa ano? Sa Sipag City. I like lumpiang gulay.
so damn big.
Yung kulay.
Yeah.
Mommy, Nana says something to tell you.
Yes, nanay.
Later this afternoon, okay?
Dollarama. Dito lang kami.
Tomorrow's the White House. I mean, not the White House. Are we going to Broccoli Chappick's?
Bro,
Broccoli Chappick and Moonlight. I want to say hi.
don't give me your earphones.
No, wait.
I'll turn it up so we can hear
Your
you.
poker.
Mama.
Yes, Baba.
Baby poker.
I accidentally said tomorrow's the White House, but Broccoli Chappick lives in the White House.
Oh.
Who lives in the White House?
He's president. Yeah,
It's
I wanna look
Chadwick,
at that, guys.
Chadwick's.
Oh no, now it's guys, sir.
Sa Roblox. Ano yung poke ba na?
Guys, it's guys. But they're voice actors. I want to see them.
You wanna see them in person, you mean?
Yeah.
Who? Tad or Poke?
Pokin. No, both of them. Also the real baby Pokin.
Who's the girl? The blonde hair girl?
And who?
Who's that?
Where?
The blonde hair girl.